Hey YouTube, Crazy Redneck 7 here. Just wanted to show y'all a quick update of what I traded my TRX 250X for. It's a 98 Kawasaki KDX 200. It's a 98. It's not in the best of shape, as you might be able to tell once I do a walk around of it. But as far as that goes, like I said, it's not in the best of shape. It needs some work. Definitely, but I got this. I got the bike, the headlight, a front number plate, rear wheel bearings, front wheel bearings. Well, yeah, that's it. He threw in $80 with it. It's going to need a rear sprocket. I'm actually getting ready to order that probably today. Carburetor, it leaks a little bit. It's going to need, I'm going to take it apart and clean it. Might need a rebuild in it, not sure yet. The expansion chamber, I gotta put water in it and freeze it, if any of y'all know that trick. But I'll explain it to you real quick. What you do is you plug off both ends of the pipe, fill it full of water, plug off the one end you filled the water in, and stick it in the freezer, and when it freezes, the ice will expand and it'll pop all the dents out of the pipe. Well, it should anyways. But anyways, yeah, this was actually not on it when I bought it. Well, when I got it, he threw this in. But no, I got extra front wheel bearings. I need to put them in. They're pretty bad. Y'all might not be able to tell on camera, but no, it's neat. I gotta get a new oil filler plug for it. It's got green Excel rims. I don't see it. Where is it? Well, green hubs also. Light does not work. Gotta get a new bulb for it. But yeah, I should be able to start up for you real quick. Trying to find a place to set my phone real quick. Good place to set my phone. Sorry about this. I'm just trying to find a place to set my phone real quick. This might work. Y'all can kind of see me. I usually start the first kick without choke. And that was a cold start. It should sit there and all. It probably won't. No, it's cold natured, typical Kawasaki. But no, anyways, runs good. Traded for it. Got a few things gotta get done, simple things. And I'll be doing updates here probably next week or two. I'm actually in the process of moving, so I won't be doing very many riding videos here soon. So if it looks like I'm in a different place, it's because I am. And well, This is the Crazy Redneck 7. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and tell me what you think about it. If you think I got a good trade or not. And please let me know if what you think. I mean, even if it's just a simple, yeah, I like it or something like that. And I mean, if you watch the video, please just comment on it and let me know what you think about it. But anyways, please comment, rate, subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and there will be more to come here in the next week or two. Thank you.